program is brought to you by Class 4th year children. As the responsible citizens of our country, it is important for us to take pledge. Let us all take pledge along with Arya. India is my country. India is my country. All Indians are. All Indians are. My brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am proud of it. Proud of it. Rich and very. Rich and very. Heritage. Heritage. I shall always. I shall always. Strive to be. Strive to be. Worthy of it. Worthy of it. I shall give respect. I shall give respect. To my parents. To my parents. Teachers. Teachers. And all elders. And all elders. And treat everyone. And treat everyone. With courtesy. With courtesy. I shall be kind to. I shall be kind to. Plants and animals. Plants and animals. To my country. To my country. And to my people. And to my people. I pledge my devotion. I pledge my devotion. In there will be. In there will be. And prosperity along. And prosperity along. Lies my happiness. Lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Thank you, Arya. Good thought gives us positive attitudes. Here comes Kevin with a valuable thought. School, Vishram.
Good morning. Today's thought. One small positive thought can change your whole day. Positive thinking is a mental and emotional attitude that focuses on the bright side of life and expects positive results. Always use words like I can, I'm able, it's possible. So think positive and be positive to expect positive results. Thank you.
Thank you, Kevin. To enrich our vocabulary, here comes Janita with a new word. Today's new word is snuggles. S-N-U-G-G-L-E-S. Its meaning is an affectionate hug. The young girl snuggled close to her mother. Thank you, Janita. Newspaper is a part of our life. If we do not get the newspaper early in the morning, we feel uneasy. Here comes Anirudh and Shriya Balaji to tell the news from all four directions.
Today's news is brought to you by Anirudh and
Shriya Balaji of 48.
Today's international news. China urges North Korea to stop missile test, resume talks. UK ready to pay up to 40 billion euros to leave EU. Japan marks 72 years since Hiroshima atomic bomb. National news. Jaguar jets still flying with autopilot. CAZ. IIT Delhi team develops a new antibacterial drug delivery system. Gadkari reaches out to Iran. School news. In Kendra Vidyalaya, inspection will be held from today onwards.
Sports news. Cricketer Srishant on Monday said he is grateful to God after the Kerala High Court lifted the life ban imposed on him by BCCI. Boxer Vijayendra Singh is now both the WBO Oriental Super Middleweight and Asia Pacific Super Middleweight champion. India's FIFA Under-17 World Cup team plays 1-1 draw US Chile in 4 nations event. Weather report. Chennai is expected to witness light rains during the next 24 to 48 hours. The maximum and minimum temperatures have reduced by 2 to 3 degrees and the mercury levels are not likely to increase as of now. Thank you. Thank you, Anirudh and Shriya Balaji. Effective and positive communication that inspires and encourages to others to do their best. Special program is brought to you by Class 4th year children. Once upon a time, there was a king who dreamt that he had lost all his teeth. When he woke up, he told one of his servants, "Oh, I had a terrible dream. Well, it was really a nightmare." "Lord, what was it about?" "I dreamed that I was lost all my teeth. I wonder what it means." "Your Majesty, if you want to, I can tell the witch from the forest to come and give you an interpretation of your dream." "Go to her house and tell her to come right away. I'm really worried." "I will be right back." The servant went to witch's house and told about the king's dream. When she came to the palace, she said, "Your Majesty, I heard about your dream. Oh, you are so unfortunate king." "Why?" "Each fallen tooth represents the death of one of your relatives, Your Majesty." "Then I will be left alone?" "Yes, Your Majesty, you will be all alone." "What an insult! How do you dare to tell me such a thing? Get out of here!" "Bad God!" "Yes, Your Majesty." "Take this woman to jail and never let her out." "Yes, Your Majesty." "Oh, who will help me now? She was my only hope." "No, Your Majesty. I can still bring the wisest man from the kingdom." "Very well. I hope he can help me." "I will be right back." The servant went to the wise man's house and told about the king's dream. When he came to the palace, he said, "Your Majesty, I heard about your dream. Oh, happiness is waiting for you. Your Majesty, your dream means that you will live longer than all your relatives." "Then I will live many, many years?" "Yes, Your Majesty, you will even outlive all your relatives." "I am really pleased with your interpretation. That's really good news. God, come here." "Yes, Your Majesty. Should I take him to the jail?" "Oh, no. On this contrary, give this man 100 gold coins." "Thank you, my lord." "You deserve it. Now I am completely sure you are the wisest man in my kingdom. God, escort him till the palace gate." "It is not possible." The witch told him the same thing he did. Both of them made the same prediction, but she was sent to the jail and the wise man received 100 coins. I can't believe it. My friends, I heard your conversation. Remember, my friends, that all depends how you say things. One of the great challenges of mankind is to learn how to communicate. Effective communication skills are fundamental to success in many aspects of life. Many jobs require strong communication skills, and people with good communication skills usually enjoy better interpersonal relationships with friends and family. So, the moral of the skit is, it is not what you say, but how you say it that counts. So, we should try to have positive communication. Thank you. Hope you all enjoyed our assembly program. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, everyone present here. It was a wonderful assembly program that was presented before us. Especially the drama on communication skill, that was really effective. Effective communication skill, that is the need of this century. So children, you also have to become effective in communication, and for that you need to have all the qualities and especially listening capacity. When you are a good listener, you will be able to communicate well. So you would like to read stories also, isn't it? Yes, ma'am. Through stories you will be able to enrich your knowledge, and thereby you will be able to communicate well. Listening, reading, all these will enhance your communication. I want to share my childhood days with you when we used to read lot of storybooks, especially Amar Chitra Katha. I used to like reading Amar Chitra Katha stories where you will find such characters, mythological characters, king, prince, queen, ministers, all would be there, and they will be delivering something very nice through which the reader will gain knowledge. One such small story I would like to share with you. Are you interested in listening to stories?
Yes, ma'am.
This is from Mahabharata. In Mahabharata, during those days, children would not go to school. They would go to the Gurukula, where they will stay with the Guru, they will do all the work, and apart from that, they will learn. So, one such Gurukula, where Dronacharya was the Guru, and Pandavas and Kauravas were his disciples. And Guru Dronacharya trained his disciples, that is his students, very well in archery. Archery means shooting bow and arrow. So he would set task. So one such task, what he set was to aim and shoot an arrow into the eye of a toy bird kept on the tree branch. That was a difficult task. All of them, all the disciples came, took their bow and arrow, looked at the tree, looked where the toy bird is kept. Then they shot the arrow. No, nobody could aim correctly. Then came Arjuna, a great and wonderful archer. But how do we know whether he is a great archer? If he is able to aim it at correctly only, no. So Arjuna came forward, looked only at the eye of the bird, the toy bird which was kept on the branch. And he aimed at it and he got it correctly. Everybody applauded. Everybody was wonderstruck. How could he do? How did he manage to shoot correctly? And then Guru himself asked, Arjuna, how did you perform this? Then Arjuna replied, Guru, you told me, you have given me the task, so I just focused, I just concentrated on that single point to shoot at the eye of the toy bird, and I could do it. So that is concentration. And how did he get it? He would listen carefully to his teacher. Whatever task the teacher assigns, he was the one who will listen carefully and thereby focus on his task, and thereby he could succeed. So my dear children, you also, to become good, successful citizens of India, you must listen to your teachers, listen to your parents, listen to your elders, and whenever a task is assigned, concentrate on it and perform it perfectly. Will you be the good children of the school?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you make your teachers and parents proud of yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, wonderful. Keep it up. Thank you. Good morning, sweet children. Do you like sweets? How many of you like sweets? Hands down, very good. So the same sweetness in you. The same sweetness is in you. Yes or no? So before that, I would like to congratulate these children, those who presented the item. Very nice. And I would like to congratulate the comparer. What's her name? Kirtana. Nicely done. I would like to congratulate the child, that is sweet child, who gave the thought for the day. I hope you all listen to the thought. Yes or no? And did you observe the play? The king, what he spoke? Did you observe? Did you listen? If you are a good listener, as madam told, like HM madam, listen. Listening is the very important skill for communication. Communication means speaking. If you want to speak, you have to, what you have to do? Listen. You have to lend your ears. Okay, you have to show your ears to others. Are you showing your ears to me now? Yes. How many of you are showing your ears to me? Raise your hands. Very good. Good. Now, I would like to congratulate each and every one of you because everyone is a good listener. Okay? And everyone is good listener. Hands down, children. Very good. Very good. Good. See, if you are a good listener, definitely you will be a good speaker. Communication means speaking. Okay? You will speak. Tell. You will tell. You will speak. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
How many of you? Yes, I am listening. Yes, I will speak properly. Raise your hands. Yes, I am listening. Yes, I will speak properly. Hands down, children. Hands down. Now, everybody will give a good round of applause for yourself. Everybody is a good listener. Very good. Okay, fine. Now you listen to me. I just repeat what you are, that king, come child. What he told. He gave money to which friend? And he did not give, he just sent one person to jail. Yes or no? Yes. But for a same question, for king question, for a same question, two different answers. Yes or no? Now listen carefully. What was the first answer? Anybody can tell? The devil came. It is not the real devil, sweet child, but having the mask of a devil. Okay? So what the devil told, anybody can tell? Anybody can say what the devil told the answer for this king. King asked one question, the devil told,
Janita.
This is the meaning of your question, of your dream.
Devil look like ghost.
No, what the devil said.
Meaning of his dream.
What the devil said. Arya, go.
Mic is not working, ma'am.
Arya, go and tell.
The devil told that your relations will die and you will be alone.
The relations.
Repeat.
The devil told that your relations will die and you will be alone.
All your relations.
What's the name?
Arya, go and tell.
Madarasi is very good. Finally, we will give a good round of applause. Now, next girl. Come, child.
The devil told, you are so unfortunate, king.
Why?
What's the name?
Arya.
Arya is also very good. He is unfortunate. Unfortunate means he is not lucky. Then.
The devil said that all his relatives will die and only he will be there alone.
What's the name? Rhiannon. Rhiannon of which class? 5th B is correct. What she told? Your relations will die. That's all. Want your relations. You will be alone. The devil told or not? So if anybody is telling like this, will you like it? Anybody will like this answer? So the same way, king also did not like put in jail. So that means you have to tell your friends also. You have to tell your friends. You have to tell your teachers.
You have to tell anybody whom you meet. What you have to tell? Not the negative ones, not the negative, minus ones. Others like or not, you have to think. What you have to think? Others like or not. Others like or not. King did not like devil's words. You also did not like devil word. Yes or no? Did you like the devil word? So he put him in jail. But you need not put others, those who are making negative things in jail. This is for the lesson. Okay? You have to avoid those people. But you should not tell. What you should not tell? What you should not tell? What is it? Good listener, very good. Don't tell negative things. You are a good listeners, good speakers. Well done children. Now next, come child. Next, king liked the answer of another gentleman. Yes or no? Wise man. Wise means intelligent man. Why is intelligent? Because his answer was very good. Anybody can that is repeat what he told. Good words what he told. Anybody can tell?
Come. Sundarajan.
He said that you will live for many years.
Very good. What's the name? Sundarajan is very good. Okay. He told you will live for many years. Then come tell.
He said happiness is waiting for you.
What's the name?
Arya.
Arya is again right. What he told this gentleman or wise man or intelligent man, happiness is what it is doing. It is waiting for you. Very nice words or not?
Yes.
For example, your happiness is near you. Will you like it?
Yes.
The happiness is waiting for you and you will live many years.
You will live many years. Good, very good. What's the name? Harshita is good.
Samriddhi.
The wise man told to the king that he will even outlive.
All the
What's the name?
Samriddhi.
Samriddhi Sharma told another point. Even you will outlive others. Outlive means you will live longer than other people. Yes or no? So, thank you children. So what you have to learn, always remember again listening skill, testing. You have to tell others, how to tell others, think what you have to tell. Whether they like or they do not like. Only you have to speak only which one words?
positive.
You should speak only liking words. I'm not telling even positive. You should speak only what words? Liking words. Liking. Whether you like means others will like. Yes or no? So tell liking words good like that. Yes or no? Very good. So again a good round of applause for all of you. Very nice. Excellent. Your assembly program excellent. Your teachers are excellent. You are excellent. Okay? So wish you all the best. And exhibit always goodness. What you will show to others? Only goodness. Then sweetness. What you will show? Sweetness. You are sweet. You are sweet. What you will show to others? Goodness.